Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a double line spacing in your document. Any paragraph or lines, you can make a double line spacing by using this method. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So how to make the double line spacing? First I just need this particular paragraph need a double line spacing. After selecting this, you can see an option for the line spacing here, and here you just select as 2.0, which is called double line spacing. And you can also select the entire document, and you just go to the icon here, and you can also have a shortcut for double line spacing was Ctrl+2 on your WPS Office Writer. Just click on 2.0, which gives you a double line spacing for your entire document. You can see, and you can also adjust by justification on here. You can see you can justify by this option. You can see it's look like so simple and make as double line spacing. So this is the view from the zoom out option, zoom out view, and I think this can be used. You changes to normal by using this double line spacing to 1 like this, or just need to double line spacing just like this. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Writer, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.